Okay, so for rock the boat, we're keeping the core connected, and you can use your arms as an outrigger. And what we're doing is, rather than twisting the spine, where the shoulders stay flat, the spine is staying connected, and we're gonna rock and let the shoulders and the hips work together. So if you want it easier, you can have your knees bent so there's less leverage to work against you. If you want a little harder, you can put the legs straight. The idea with this movement is that we're rocking back and forth with the spine operating as a connected unit. And usually I'll do this with my head on the floor, neck relaxed. But if you want to get your neck engaged and lift your head off the floor, add that to it. And that's rocking the boat.